Yes, bad breath and loud snoring. Here's why. If you or someone you know is struggling with gas, bad breath, and loud snoring, traditional Chinese medicine might offer some solutions. Let's dive in. Digestive issues. Frequent gas and bad breath can mean poor digestion, food intolerances, or an imbalance in your gut flora. Acupuncture and herbal remedies, reducing gas and bad breath. Herbs like ginger and licorice root are often used to support gut health. Sleep apnea. Loud snoring might be a sign of sleep apnea. TCM uses acupuncture to help relax the muscles around the airway, reducing snoring and improving sleep quality. Dietary factors. TCM emphasizes a balanced diet tailored to your body type. Foods like green tea, ginger, and fresh vegetables are recommended to reduce gas and bad breath. Oral hygiene. In TCM, bad breath can also be a sign of heat in the stomach. Acupuncture and cooling herbs like mint and honeysuckle can help clear this heat and freshen breath. Bringing TCM into your life with wellness as our trusted guide. I'm Physician Liu. See you next time.